Today we're talking about the GED Test Prep Plus 2025-2026 from Kaplan. You will find a link to purchase this and other models at a discount in the description below the video. You can place your order right now. For technical reasons, I can't show the actual book on camera, so we'll go through the content and my experience with it in a screencast format. This edition is part of Kaplan's long-running GED series. It promises a full review of every test subject, including math, science, social studies, and reasoning through language arts.
Did you know that the best discounts on Amazon last only a few hours? That's why I launched 2 channels where I publish the highest discounts on Amazon products in real time every day. Follow the link in the description and subscribe to our Threads and Telegram channels right now to consistently save money on your everyday purchases.
It also includes online access to practice questions and 2 full-length tests. On paper, that sounds solid, but the real question is whether it actually helps you prepare efficiently for the GED exam. The layout of the book is pretty familiar if you've seen older Kaplan guides. Clean sections, subject summaries, and practice sets after each topic. The diagnostic test at the start helps you see where you're weak, which is useful if you're studying on your own. The online part adds timed tests and explanations, which can make a difference if you need to simulate the actual GED environment. Now, about the content quality. The explanations are clear, but sometimes too simplified. For math, the examples cover the basics well, but if you're rusty in algebra or geometry, you might find the review a bit shallow. It's great for getting your confidence up, but maybe not enough for someone aiming for top scores. The science and social studies sections lean on reading comprehension more than actual subject mastery, which matches how the real GED works, but some users might expect more in-depth lessons. The language arts section is decent. It trains you to analyze texts, find evidence, and write responses. Kaplan gives step-by-step essay examples which help you understand how the scoring works. Still, the writing prompts feel a bit generic. If you need creative writing practice, you'll probably have to find extra material online. What I like about the Kaplan GED Prep Plus is that it doesn't overwhelm you. It's organized, modern, and fairly easy to follow. You can study for 30 minutes a day and still make progress. But there are weak spots. Some practice questions repeat between chapters, and not all explanations go deep enough for tricky problems. The answer keys in the printed book are also placed far from the questions, which can be annoying when flipping pages. As for online access, Kaplan's platform is reliable but requires registration and activation. The dashboard lets you track your progress, and you can take the tests in timed mode. The feedback is detailed enough to show where you're losing points. However, a few users report issues accessing the bonus materials or quizzes after a while, so make sure you register early and save your login. If you've already used the 2023 or 2024 version, don't expect major updates. The structure and most questions are similar, with small changes in formatting and test examples. Kaplan claims it's fully aligned with the latest GED test, and while that's mostly true, the improvements aren't dramatic. Overall, GED Test Prep Plus 2025-2026 works best for people who need a structured plan and a gentle start. If you're self-motivated and need targeted practice, you might find it limited. But if you want everything in one place, printed lessons, online tests, and answer explanations, it does the job well. If you're comparing it with other brands like Princeton Review or Mometrics, Kaplan usually feels more polished. The writing is clear and professional, but sometimes it feels like it's aimed at a wide audience instead of adapting to different skill levels. That said, if you want one reliable prep book with online support, this one still stands out. It's not perfect, but it's practical. It gets you ready for the GED without overwhelming you with unnecessary theory. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you understand